How do you ensure patient confidentiality and privacy in your role as a healthcare assistant? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your understanding of the importance of patient confidentiality and, more importantly, your commitment to maintaining privacy. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, patient confidentiality is a top priority. I strictly adhere to privacy policies and ensure that patient information is securely stored. I only discuss patient details with authorized individuals and follow proper protocols when handling sensitive information, fostering trust, and maintaining the confidentiality of patient records. Question number 2. Can you describe your experience in assisting with daily patient care activities such as bathing, dressing, and mobility support? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your practical experience and, more importantly, your competence in providing hands on patient care. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I have hands on experience assisting patients with daily activities including bathing, dressing, and providing mobility support. I approach each task with empathy, ensuring that patients are treated with dignity and respect. Effective communication with patients and collaboration with the healthcare team are key aspects of delivering comprehensive and compassionate care. Question number 3. How do you handle challenging or agitated patients in a healthcare setting? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your ability to manage difficult situations and demonstrate empathy in patient interactions as well. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I approach challenging situations with patience and empathy. I try to understand the root cause of the patient's distress, addressing their concerns and reassuring them. If necessary, I involve the healthcare team to ensure that the patient receives the appropriate care and support. Calm communication and a compassionate approach contribute to diffusing tense situations. Question number 4. In what ways do you ensure infection control and maintain a clean and safe patient environment? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your knowledge of infection control protocols and, more importantly, your commitment to maintaining a safe healthcare environment. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I am meticulous about infection control. I adhere to established protocols for hand hygiene, use personal protective equipment appropriately, and also follow proper procedures for cleaning and disinfecting patient areas. By maintaining a clean and safe environment, I contribute to the overall well being of patients and also prevent the spread of infections within the healthcare facility. Question number 5. How do you communicate with patients and their families to provide updates on care plans and address their questions or concerns? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your communication and your interpersonal skills as well as your ability to keep patients and families informed. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, clear communication is essential in healthcare. I provide regular updates to patients and their families on care plans, treatment progress, and any changes in the patient's condition. I encourage questions and address concerns promptly, ensuring that patients and their families are well informed and involved in the care process. Open communication always fosters trust and a positive patient experience. So there you have it, 5 most important commonly asked healthcare assistant job interview questions along with their sample answers. I have already uploaded a video on healthcare assistant job description that can also help you a lot in preparation of your healthcare assistant job interview. The link is in the description of this video. Always remember that practice makes perfect. So take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.